Hi coders, this is Let Me Code C.
We're going to see about logical operators. So before in arithmetic operator, relational operator, we just do with a single expression. But logical operators or logical ands are used to work with a multiple expression in a single term. Okay, how it is classified? It was classified into three types. So what are the types? And, or, not. So these are the symbolic representation to use the and operation, or operation, not operation. Let's see with an example. Dive into the code. Okay, here I'm implementing or declaring first int a equal to, sorry, caps lock is on, int a equal to 8 and b int a equal to 6. Okay, here first we're going to see about and operation. So literally in our what is an, just we think in our grammatical way, it used to say both the values. So and when we use the and, we use it to pronounce or use it to portray the both the values, means we use the and between them. Like that, here in programming languages, and operator is used to say if both the, that means one or two, if both the expressions are true, means it gives the output as true. If any one of the expression fails, means it gives the output as false. Just try. I'm going to use same printf function. So here same, I'm using percentage as factor, but here I'm using two expressions. The first expression is a greater than b and, so that means a less than b. So what I use it to implicate that means, so first condition I'm checking 8 greater than 6, it is true or false? True. But in second condition I'm checking 8 less than 6, second condition is false. So I'm already said and function used to say true if both the values are true. But in our condition, one expression is fails. So our output will be 0. In such case, I am used to say this as a greater than or equal to b, means. So just I'm same implementing 8 greater than or equal to 6. Both the conditions are true. So I'm running this, use the output as true. Okay. Then same I'm using printf function to deliver our next output as next line. Okay, so then or operator. So what is or? Same, just think in a grammatical way. Or operator, that means or keyword, or conjunction is used to say this or that, right? So here in programming languages, or operator gives the output as true if any one of the expression meets the true value. It gives output as false if both the condition meets the false value. Okay, just I'm running the same code, printf, so modulus d, a greater than b, then or operator, a less than b. Okay, so what I'm trying to saying is 8 less greater than 6, it is true or false? True. Or 8 less than 6, it is true or false? Fails. What does it means? Or operator gives the output as true if any one of the value meets the true value. Here in our case is one expression meets the true value. So what is this output? 1. When it become false? If both the values are become false. So I'm saying a less than or equal to b. Here I'm trying to say 8 less than or equal to 6. Both the condition meets the false value. So here how it will output, it makes false. Okay, then final thing, not operator. Sorry, I'm just typing there. Okay, so not operator is just used to or convert the final result. If I mean to inverse the result means I'm goes with the not operator. Just see with an example. So before entering into this, I need to use printf slash n, right here, not operator. So same I'm using printf function to check the values as the operator a greater than b. So what I'm implementing here is 8 greater than 6. It is true or false? True. Just I'm trying to run this. We add a third output true. In such case, I put the not operator before this expression. It will inverse our output. Just see, I'm trying to run this, but same I put 8 greater than 6 expression. It returns false. So this was a use case of the not operator. Okay guys, other two operators bitwise and assignment should be followed by our next video. Thanks for watching. Let us see in our next video.